Hello world, welcome back to my channel. My name's Paul. Today we're in Toodyay. Beautiful, beautiful spot, about an hour out of Perth. We're in the car. I'm a bit disappointed because there's some of the best motorcycle rides in the world all around Toodyay, but we'll still get up here on the bikes when this is better. I'm still a little bit sore, but for now, let's roll the intro. So Michael and Hazel invited us up to see their alpaca farm. It's called Lavender Hills Mob, which is named after Audrey Hepburn's first movie in England. They've got the mill here. It's very, very impressive. I'll leave a link in the description. If you want to come out and see these guys, just let them know beforehand. Beautiful spot. Look at this, just absolutely gorgeous. Michael and Hazel, what amazing people. So guys, if you're going to come out and visit them, see the farm and the animals, see how the mill works, it's really quite interesting. But plan a little bit of time because they're such friendly people. You'll spend a lot of time there just chatting, and we'll make the code word wool. So we got so many suggestions on what to see today. We're just going into the visitors centre. They're expecting us. And look around, look at these beautiful old buildings over here. The visitors centre's in its own building. Look at this. Oh, and look how beautiful Janet's looking today. And we'll make the code word info. Like I said before guys, there's some of the best motorcycle rides in the world around Toodyay. As you can see, there's bikes everywhere, bikers everywhere. This is the Cola Cafe here. That's where just about everyone stopped. And he does little things like he's got cleaning fluid and cloth so you can clean your visor while you wait, get all the bugs off your visor and things. And it's little things like that that make a difference. And as you can see, he's very, very popular. Now we're at the free range emu farm just outside of Toodyay. Kip's invited us out here. He's open to the public, but I'll leave a link in the description as usual. You'll be able to get hold of him before you get out here. Come and see the emus and see some emu products. Well worth a visit guys. It's only about 7 or 8 k's outside of Toodyay. Kip will show you around. Really quite an amazing place. Look at this. And we'll make the code word emu. And this is the Hoddywell caravan park, but they've also got archery in here. It's quite a popular place to visit. It's just near the emu farm. Look around us guys, isn't this beautiful? And I don't know if you can hear, there's a guy up there with his bow. Can you hear all the birds? Just beautiful. Now we're at the Toodyay lookout. That's town down there. Absolutely beautiful. It's a bit of a smoggy day today. Gorgeous. And we'll make the code word lookout, just like it's spelt up there. Look at this gorgeous old building. It's the old Newcastle Hospital. Built in 1895. It looks like it could have been built yesterday. Just amazing. Gorgeous old building. And just behind me here, it's the stables for the old Newcastle Jail and the police station. But here is the actual Newcastle Jail. It's a museum now. It was built in 1865. Beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous, but let's go in and have a look. And this is the cell block behind us here. Let's go in and have a look at some of the cells. Yeah, You've got to remember this is a really wide lens. It's the sort that real estate agents use to make houses look a lot bigger than they are, but yeah, I can maybe 1 foot away from touching both walls, so it's pretty small. You would have just had your bed in here and not much else. Okay, so that one must have been for the good people, because this one I can touch both walls easily. So yeah, that must have been for the trustee or something. He got the big cell. And we'll make the code word jail, but it's spelt the old-fashioned way, like this. Well, that was very, very informative. Well worth the $5 entry, $4 for pensioners. And it continues over across the road. There's quite a lot of stuff in here to see. And this beautiful old building's the old Courthouse. This was built in 1897, but it was built on the foundations of the old convict barracks, which would have been the first building in town, or one of the first. They would have built the barracks and brought all the convicts in. And that's something I haven't talked about. For my overseas subscribers that don't understand the history of Australia, it was to empty the jails in England. They sent a lot of the prisoners to Australia to work as servants, slaves basically. Convict labour. Here's a little thing, that was the original old building that was here. Look at this group of gorgeous old buildings. This is the old convent and friary. There's another building over the other side, and they're actually for sale, and it's 4 different titles, so each building is getting sold separately, I guess. Absolutely gorgeous. Imagine setting up a hotel or something. This old building, absolutely gorgeous. And we'll make the code word convent.
Come to Toodyay.
One's over here, that's the old Freemasons Hotel. Gorgeous old building. I can't find the age of it though, but this whole street's been built at the same time, I think, since 1890 there. We've got the Toodyay Bakery here, the Toodyay Lolly Shop, they're really quite famous. But look at this, isn't that just gorgeous? And Janet got really excited because we were coming to Toodyay, because her favourite shop is Butler's Essentials, all creams and things to keep her looking as young and beautiful as she is. But let's go in and have a look. Wow, last time we were here, she had a tiny little shop across the road. Now she's got her own little lab in there where she does all her own infusions and everything. Essentials Beauty. Quite amazing, but I think I've lost Janet for a couple of hours. And this gorgeous old building, the Victoria Hotel. We're going to go in and have some lunch. And this is the old Toodyay post office. Well, it was the post office, now it's uniquely Toodyay, which is where all the local artists, craftsmen and things display their wares. The first time I saw this shop, I thought this isn't going to last long because it's a year-round Christmas shop. But he's only actually open 6 months of the year, and he does a thriving trade. It's become sort of one of the things people come to Toodyay to see. Quite amazing. And this is the Toodyay mini railway. Only runs in summer though, starts next week. It's not running at the moment. This is the Avon River just here, which I've shown you the Avon River in a couple of videos. It's where we have the big boat race from Northam to Perth, the Avon descent. But we're going to jump in the car, start heading home. You hold rain, but you forget about staying safe. And that was another fun day. I love Toodyay. Always have a lot of fun up there, and I apologise to all the people in Toodyay. There's no way in the world that I could show everything there is to see in one day, but hopefully I've whetted people's curiosity so that you'll all want to go up there and see this beautiful little town in the hills. Behind me here's the Noble Falls Tavern. These guys do great meals. It's about half an hour out of Perth. Do great meals, well worth a little drive up even if you don't want to go to Toodyay, all the way to Toodyay. If you don't know what the code words are for, guys, I'll put a link up here to the video that explains how you can win a Mavic Mini drone. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit the Mad Dog icon up there or the subscribe button down below. Give me a big thumbs up, share this video everywhere you can, and we'll see you in the next one.